Another senior Congress leader, Digvijay Singh, has also openly spoken about a change of guard within the Congress. In an exclusive interview with Headlines today, Digvijay confirmed the speculation of apparent differences between Sonia and Rahul. He said Rahul is encountering resistance from within the party in implementing his ideas and he isn't being allowed to function independently. Digvijay said Rahul's sudden leave has demoralized party workers, but the time has come for Rahul to speak out aggressively on issues.
Today, Congress is a demoralized and dispirited party because of the defeats you suffered. Your cadres need someone boosting their morale. For Rahul to mysteriously, inexplicably disappear at this critical moment further demoralizes them.
You're right, it does.
They may be mother and son, but they come from different generations with different political experience.
Absolutely.
Hence, there could be differences in their thinking.
Obviously, every generation has a mindset. He should have empowered those elected people to appoint the subordinate committees and widen the base of the organization, which he did not, which unfortunately, but I know some people within his own system resisted it.
Let's get in a word from our team of reporters tracking the story for us. Our Deputy Editor Ashar Ahmad Khan is with us live from the National Capital. Also with us, Maha Siddiqui. I want to come to you first. Ashar, what do you make of these comments coming in from Kamal Nath and Digvijay Singh? Do you see this as the war between the old guard and the new guard coming out in the open, or is the old guard now warming up to Rahul Gandhi?
Well, basically, Simi, it is that there is a lot of confusion which is prevailing amongst the rank and file of the Congress party, and this is what we are seeing playing itself out. Senior leaders like Digvijay Singh and Kamal Nath coming out and openly saying that if it has to be done, it should be done properly. And what senior leader Kamal Nath was constantly saying is that there is chaos within the Congress party which is apparent. Now, we've been speaking to several leaders who do not wish to come on record. They also say that there is no clarity. There's a dark curtain behind which things are being done. The system is entirely opaque, so whatever has to be done should be done quickly so that their future is secured. So that is the problem which is plaguing the Congress party, and if matters are not sorted out soon, there could be a lot of trouble within the Congress party too.
Right, Maha Siddiqui is also with us live. Maha, we've heard rumours in the corridors of power in New Delhi that people have trouble trying to figure out which of the power centre will take the final call on key issues, and this is why it's leading to complete chaos within the Congress party, and people are saying that this is the reason why the party has been performing badly in elections as well.
Well, absolutely, Simi. And Kamal Nath, when Rahul spoke to him, couldn't have made things clearer when he said that one falls between two stools, that of Sonia Gandhi and of Rahul Gandhi. If you go to one, the other says they have to consult him. And when you go to Rahul Gandhi, he says he needs to seek advice from his mother. So clearly there is a lot of confusion, as Ashar was putting there, that it has been going on for some time now, and that people want to put a stop to it because they feel that the spate of debacles that the Congress party has suffered ever since the Lok Sabha elections has been because there is no clarity. Remember, Simi, at one point Rahul Gandhi was also going to be heading the campaign for the party, but then suddenly things were rejigged and he wasn't really somebody who was being pushed to the forefront. So all this adds to the confusion. People do not know who to follow, and they feel that the time has come where there should be more clarity. Simi, let me quickly put out one more thing. In this crucial budget session when Rahul Gandhi is missing, now secretly the BJP is making fun of the fact that he's away from the budget session, but they're also happy now because they feel that the focus from the land acquisition bill, and the first time that the government in 9 months has really cornered, that the Congress's attempts at cornering the government are losing steam because Rahul Gandhi is not there. So clearly Rahul Gandhi perhaps is required by the party at this point in time, and clarity needs to be given to everybody within the party.
Rahul Gandhi's absence is obviously being felt by the party. Let's also get in a word from our executive editor Javed Ansari, who's with us live from our newsroom. Javed Ansari, what do you make of these comments of the leadership crisis in the Congress?
Look, obviously there's a chorus growing for Rahul Gandhi to take over, and I do believe that come April, when the AICC session is held, Rahul Gandhi will be made the next Congress president. But it would be erroneous to believe that there's a clash, a factional clash between Mrs. Sonia Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi. There are differences in style. Rahul wants wholesale changes. He wants to start with a clean slate. Mrs. Gandhi believes, and that's the way she's that's the way she's gone about her presidentship. She believes in a gradual approach in taking people, the old guard, the not so old, as also the young brigade that Rahul has fashioned. She wants everybody, all this to be a combination. Rahul wants to start with a clean slate, and that's where the problem is.